Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today, and what we're going to do is a little quick video to feature and unbox and feature the contents of the Oulidepi 104 piece car polisher and buffing set. So let's get into it. That seems to be everything there, put that to one side. You can see there it says 104 piece car polishing kit for light car scratch removing, so it's not for heavy things. So it seems very well packed. What I'll do is I'll take them out of the packaging and then we'll just go through the contents individually bit by bit. It's only a short one, as I say, video. It's not going to be a long one. Okay guys, so starting off this side, you've got 9 different grades, grits of sandpaper discs, ranging from 60 grit right through to this one, which is 3000 grit, very fine. These are about 3 inch and they're all designed to fit. This is the bit that goes in your drill, and you can see you get 2 different M10s, different sizes for your drill depending on what kind of drill you're using. The other one's in the bag there, and this has a Velcro attachment here, so then you get an intermediate interface pad, so that would stick on there like so, and then you get a wool buffer, and this looks like a type of microfiber buffer, again with the Velcro pad here, say 3 inches in diameter. Then you've got 2 pieces with 2 inside each bag for the headlamp restoration. So these are buffers as well, for buffing. Once you put, you use these to sand down the headlamp, you put your new solution on, then buff it all up. So that's what these are for. And I think it's the orange, yeah, the orange is the coarse, going through to the finer one, which is the yellow one. And again, they've got the Velcro on the back, and you can see that they've got different contours for different shapes. You get a roll of masking tape, so to prevent anything from going onto your car paintwork that you don't want to. That's the other M10 there. You get just a cleaning cloth here, and also inside here is the cloth called a nano sparkle cloth. Right, so there you have it guys. So that's the 104 piece car polishing and buffing set from Oulidepi. It's currently on sale at Amazon for £17.99. Like I said, I'll put the link down below, so if you are interested in this product, you just need to click and follow the link and it'll take you where you can purchase it. And thanks also to Noah for sending me the product and allowing me to do this, the pleasure of doing a quick review. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please follow the channel for more reviews in the coming weeks and months, and bye for now.